What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys been out there building shit. Believing what God gave you, taking on new projects, building, fixing, creating, doing art, whatever it might be, guys. Find your strengths, find your blessings, and give them to this world. If you like hearing that kind of encouragement, that kind of message, hit like and subscribe, guys. So, today, I got a message from one of my buddies that wants to put this exhaust into his car. So here's the stock muffler. I cut it off just past the muffler, and then on the other end I cut that off because I thought I was going to be able to use the tailpipe part of it, which is right up here. I thought I was going to be able to use this, but it wasn't quite long enough. It would have ended up looking funny because the pipe wouldn't have stuck out. So we ended up getting that little flexible piece. And then, alright YouTube, so we got the little $40 eBay muffler, and I used a clamp and an adapter into the flex pipe and then into the stock where I cut it off. So those were the parts that I used and how I assembled ours, and now we're going to figure out how to hang it all. To do the hangers, I cut off the stock ones from this, and I'm going to weld them up to... Alright YouTube, so these are some scrap pieces off of a dolly that I had, and I cut these off, and I had to drill out the holes a little bit bigger. But I'm going to use these and weld the stock pieces up here to where it clamps into the car. This goes down to the clamp on the new muffler, and hopefully it holds it. So we got to shorten this one up too. We did some test fitting. I cut it long to start with, and then test fitted, and then I cut it down shorter. So now we'll cut this one off. Alrighty YouTube, so that's what I came up with. So we got the stock clamp into the Harbor Freight piece, and hopefully that'll bolt up. Alright YouTube, so that's the two brackets that we came up with. I came up with. Now I got to get them put back up under there, and to that clamp, and get this exhaust hung. And we just cut them down to size, and then kind of got them up in there and angled, and used the hose clamps and clamped it together to where we could weld it in the right spots. There we go, guys. So this one goes from that clamp up and over that way. This one goes from the clamp up into that one. And then I connected them in the center. That was the hardest part because it kept on falling off. But I finally got it. And got the exhaust sitting there. So now I'm going to go into the car and I'll rev it up a little bit for you guys. There you go, guys. That's how we installed it.